Utah's Division of Wildlife Resources has launched a controversial 3-year experiment to determine if reducing mountain lion numbers can actually boost struggling mule deer populations. The study, which began last month, involves the targeted culling of cougars in 6 specific game management units where predation is a major limiting factor for deer survival. The rationale here is that predation accounts for up to 80% of a cougar's diet and contributes to deer declines in about 30% of the state's units. By lowering this mortality source, the DWR hopes to see a measurable increase in mule deer survival and growth. The project is a response to a 2020 legislative mandate and includes collaborations with Brigham Young University for scientific rigor. The initiative has ignited a sharp debate, however. Supporters, including the Utah Wild Sheep Foundation and Sportsmen for Fish and Wildlife, have pledged over $300,000 in funding and view it as a necessary data-driven step to enhance deer herds. However, opponents are vocal. The Utah Houndsman Association condemns the study, citing risks to hunting dogs from traps and snares. Predator advocacy groups like Utah Mountain Lion Conservation and the Cougar Fund are even more critical, labeling the effort predator eradication. They argue that cougar removals disrupt social structures, potentially increasing human and wildlife conflicts, and that drought and habitat loss, not overabundant lions, are the real culprits for deer declines. A Change.org petition opposing the study has, in fact, garnered thousands of signatures. Amid the polarization, the Mule Deer Foundation has adopted a neutral position, withholding judgment until the scientific results emerge. As the culling proceeds, the true impact and stakeholder consensus on Utah's mountain lion experiment will depend on the data collected over the next couple of years.